for the poorest of the poor. They depended on you, Mother Teresa, to see them through all of their sorrows. They depended on you, from the slums to the dying, to live their todays and their tomorrows. Touch was all they needed to help them carry their cross. The smile was all they wanted. The Spirit was their strength, Spirit of love and peace for all humanity. To fill their hearts with love and peace. Oh, Mother, Mother Teresa. Mother, you lived for the rejected, for children unloved and unprotected. Now they're alone, no one to turn to. Please shine on your light, love's resurrected. Your light is all we need to show us the right path. Your smile will guide us along. The Spirit will be our strength to make your dreams a reality. You'll fill their hearts with love and peace. Oh, Mother,